Welcome to the Feng Shui forecast for the month of August 2017. This month we start with the 6, and there is 6 in the South Palace. And in the South Palace, 5, 6, 9. Now, 5, of course, is not good. So if you're using the South room, again, I want to repeat, it's not the greatest. But when the 6 comes in with the 9, you can expect some element of change. And therefore, if you have no real choice, this month the room is quite usable. The Southwest has the monthly 8, which is fantastic because 8 and the low shu 2 is a great combination, and it's a combination of 10. So if you're using this room, be prepared to get wealth that you can actually reach out and work towards. This is nothing that lands in your lap. You have to actually make it happen, because that's what a combination of 10 is all about. But the opportunity to be able to make that money will present itself quite nicely if you're using this room, or it's your door, or it's your bedroom, or your office room, or the cabin you're working, direction you're facing, or you're receiving chi from the Southwest. In the West, we have the monthly 4, which is also simple, easy wealth. So if you're using the West room, be assured you have a lot of opportunity for money. The annual and the monthly stars are both wood stars, both are wealth stars. So it's a wealth creation sector. In the Northwest, it's the same thing. You have the 3, and 3 is wealth to the palace. In addition, you have the annual 2, and like I said earlier, 2 and 3 together is the quickest way to make money. So from some way or the other, if you're using the Northwest, anyhow, you will be able to generate wealth, provided you are sleeping or facing a direction which in advanced 8 mansions is good for you. That enhances the effect. No need for water or anything. Northwest is not a place you can put water in, but you can just use it, be in the room. 7 in the North, not the greatest. You have 6 and 7 in the same palace, annual and monthly, which is a bit of a disturbance, and water. And 7 and 1 don't like each other much, but it's still okay. I wouldn't recommend moving out of the room. Just use the room, it's fine. Maybe a little bit of verbal talking and arguments, slight, but I wouldn't pay much attention. It's still a fantastic room to use. I'd still be working on the 1-6 combination for the year and using that as the primary consideration. The 5 and the 8 I would not like. In the Northeast, 5, it's given us hell last year. And for this month, I would just avoid the 5 monthly star in the Northeast. If I don't have a choice, I will put a temporary saltwater cure just for that month, because I'm a coward. And I like to do what a lot of my colleagues call jokingly safety feng shui. But I rather be safe than sorry. That's just the way I am. And I suggest everyone, don't test your luck. If you know for something untoward can happen, why are you allowing it to happen? Just go for it and put a salt cure. If you can't, not use the room. The 9 in these is just fantastic, because 8 and 9 and 3, they're all good together. 8 and 9 is celebration. 9 and 3 is very good because it's fire and wood brilliance, and I think that's a fantastic room to be in at this point in time. And hopefully you would have remembered to put the water in at some time before the 2nd of February 2017. And last we come to the Southeast, 1 in a 4 palace, fantastic, because that 1-4 combination is the greatest possible you can achieve for travel, for romance, and for education. In addition, you have the 9 annual, so 9 annual and 1 monthly combination of 10. Money, money, money. You're going to have a good time. And that's all for August. I will see you back in September.